In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Telegram chat history safely and easily. This method is perfect if you want to back up important conversations, save media files, or archive chats before switching devices. Whether you're exporting a personal chat, a group conversation, or an entire channel, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps using Telegram Desktop. This is the official method recommended by Telegram, so you know your data is handled securely. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version as this export feature is not available on mobile apps. Once Telegram Desktop is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu. It will open a drop-down with several options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your profile, privacy, and other advanced features. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Advanced section. Click on Advanced to expand more technical options and features that aren't available in the basic settings. Inside the Advanced settings, you'll see an option labeled Export Telegram Data. Click on this option. A new window will appear with different export settings. Here, you can choose what type of data you want to export. You can select individual chats, group chats, channels, or even all of your chat history at once. You can also choose to include photos, videos, voice messages, files, and other media. There are options to set the file size limit, date range, and export format. The default format is usually JSON or HTML, which makes it easy to view your chat history later. Once you've selected everything you want to export, click the export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will now start exporting your chat history. Depending on how much data you're exporting, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. A progress bar will appear showing you how much has been exported. When the export is complete, Telegram will save the files to a folder on your computer. You can open this folder and view your chat history in a readable format, along with any media files you chose to include. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Telegram chat history using Telegram Desktop. This is a great way to keep backups of important conversations or save memories before they get lost. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials like this.